Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025 paper 1, which is from the equilibrium chapter. And if you see here in this question, at 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration of H plus ion in this molar aqueous solution of the weak monobasic acid having the acid dissociation constant as 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 is x into 10 raised to the power minus 7 molar. The value of x is. So how to deal this question, and we have given the ionic product of water also. So for doing this question, we have a two equilibrium here. HA type of monobasic acid which breaks and gives the H plus and A negative, and Ka is the dissociation constant of this acid, which is given as 4 into 10 raised to the power minus of 11, and the other equilibrium will exist as H2O will break to give H plus plus OH negative, and it has the equilibrium constant or ionic product as 10 raised to the power minus of 14. So if you see here, two equilibrium exist, and what we have given is as the concentration of HA, which is 10 raised to the power minus of 3. So 10 raised to the power minus 3 is the initial concentration of the weak acid, and if you assume that the X molarity reacted or dissociated, then it will give the X moles of H plus and X moles of A negative. And the other reaction, if you see, if I assume that H plus forms Y and OH negative also forms Y, then and H plus is the common ion here, so the total concentration here, total moles will becomes, total concentration of H plus will become X plus Y. So now if we write the equation for this equilibrium, Ka will be equals to concentration of H plus into concentration of A negative divided by concentration of HA, and for this Kw is equals to H plus into OH negative. So for these two equations, if I write, Ka will be equals to X plus Y into Y divided by, because this Ka value is very small, that's why I can neglect this, I will get this, and Kw will be equals to, this is X plus Y plus X, this will be X plus Y into Y. So now if I put the value of Ka is given as 4 into 10 raised to the power minus of 11, which is equals to X plus Y into Y divided by 10 raised to the power minus 3, and Kw is 10 raised to the power minus 14, which is X plus Y into Y. Now this will be 10 raised to the power minus 14 X plus Y into Y. If I write it as equation number 1, so here it should be X, here it should be X. So now I have two equations, these two equations. From these two equations, by adding equation 1 and 2, I will get X into X plus Y plus Y into X plus Y will be equals to 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 10 raised to the power minus of 14. So this will become X plus Y whole square, and this will be equals to 5 into 10 raised to the power minus of 14. From here I can get the X plus Y value, which is root of 5 into 10 raised to the power minus of 7, which is equals to 2.23 into 10 raised to the power minus of 7. So this X is nothing, it is a concentration of H plus ion, as we have here given X plus Y is the concentration of H plus ion. So we get the H plus concentration of H plus ion is this. So we have to tell the value of X, and X is nothing, X is multiplied with this, so this is X. So the correct answer should be 2.23. 2.23 should be the correct answer for this question. Thank you so much for listening.